Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankush and wishing you a very happy new year in advance. And few hours will be in 2026, and this is the uh, last video of this year in 2025. Okay, and I will continue to making videos like Tableau tips, Tableau calculation, SQL, interview questions, Snowflake, and I will more do it in DBT and some ETL tools as well as. Okay, so in today's video, we will be talking about the one of the most interesting and challenging interview question in Tableau. So the question is, how do you find the next purchase date in the customer? The data could be the anything. Basically, you need to find out the next purchase date of the particular things. It could be your loan due date, it could be your SIP date, it could be anything, but you need to understand the logic first. Okay. So this is the question one of the subscriber has shared with me. So this question is comes with one of the uh, big MNC. Okay, he has basically 5 year experience and he got this question. He shared this question with me. So let's see how can we solve this question using Tableau. Okay, so I'm using the sample superstore data. So I've connected the data and we have the data. So let's see how can we do that. So first let me pull customer name. Okay, let's say I want to find out for the first purchase date before I making the next purchase date. So my first purchase date is, let me say, I'm saying, let's say first date out. Okay, let's, so I will say fixed my customer name, minimum my order date. I'm using the level of detail here. So I'll make it a exact date and it should be the discrete one. Okay, so now you observe I got the first purchase date for every employee. Okay, so every employee I got the first purchase date. Whenever he bought the product, I got the first purchase date over here. Now the interviewer want what is the next purchase date of the particular employee or the particular the customer. Basically, they wanted to check the customer like are coming regularly or the monthly. What are the gap between the first purchase date and the next purchase date? They wanted to check. Okay, so let's say, so I will say, so I will say, let's say next next purchase date. So I will say fixed with customer name. Okay, and minimum if my first purchase date equal to my order date, then null, else order date and it should be end here. Okay, okay, so this is not required over here. Now it should good. Okay. It's very simple. I've not done anything is complicated. This is what I did. I fixed the customer name over here, and what I took minimum of the first purchases we already took over here, and this first purchase date equal to order date, then return null because we are looking for the next purchase date, not for the first purchase date, because first purchase we already took over here. Okay, so fix the customer label minimum of first purchase date equal to order date, then give me the null else my order date, then give me the next purchase date. Okay, let me apply this. Let me convert it to exact date. That should be the discrete one. Okay, so now you observe we got the first purchase date and the next purchase date. Okay, so if I talk about the any of the customer, let's say Adam has bought one of the product from the website, which was the 16th 11, which 16 11 2021. Now he'll come back around 22. Okay, so if I talk about the Aaron has bought some product from the website was 2021, the particular date 18th of the Feb. Now he'll come after this, after the 1 month, which is 2021, the March. Okay, now you can see we got the first purchase date. Okay, so interview you want to check your LOD logic. How will you solve? Okay, so this is how we can solve this question. Okay, this is also very good question in the SQL. You can solve this SQL as well as the same trick. Okay, so I hope you got this answer and you able to understand this question. If yes, please make sure subscribe the channel and happy new year once again.